Hey everybody, Alex Conrad here with North Water Marine, and right now we're standing aboard a 2024 Qwest E22 Splash Pad. Splash Pad referring to this rear lounging layout, which we'll get to in a little bit. So come on up and let's go through the features of this boat. All right, so as with every Qwest pontoon boat, you get a nice large front deck area so you can get on and off the boat very comfortably and easily no matter where you are boarding from. Lift and lock doors on all the doors. Up in the front of this boat, you've got nice comfortable front lounging couches. And as comes on every Qwest pontoon boat, they're high flow seat bases, so you have a lot of airflow that flows underneath your seat, drying off those towels, life jackets, lines, so you don't get any of that gnarly mildew buildup. Something that Qwest did standard for 2024 is put USB and USB charging ports in the corners of the seats on your front couches. Again, standard on every 2024 Qwest, doesn't matter the size or trim level. This boat is optioned with the very large in-floor ski storage, and there is a bilge pump in there to pump out any water that may or may not get in there. This is the LTZ trim from Qwest, so their highest trim level. So you do get the high back reclining seats that swivel, slide forward and back. Obviously you got your armrest, and it is kind of a molded foam, so you feel very locked into that seat. Up at your helm station, Garmin GPS depth finder and gauge system, easy access switches all the way around, Clarion stereo, phone holder, another USB and USB-C charging port, easy access to your throttle there. Something that this boat is equipped with is Qwest's Q3V tri-tune design. So that gives you lifting strakes on that center pontoon. What it also gives you is fully electric steering. That makes driving any boat with any horsepower size as easy as turning with your pinky, even at full throttle. It also means no maintenance over the lifetime of that boat. So it's just a wonderful driving experience. Like I said, this boat is the splash pad layout. So right now we've got it configured so you can lounge facing forward, but say you need more seating, pop this up and you've got a couch facing forward. And you can also do everything in reverse. You can lounge facing backwards. So really a unique layout from Qwest. In the back here, can't hit it enough. You got a nice large deck. Ski tow bar here. This boat's powered by the powerful 200 horsepower Mercury motor, so you can get up and move no matter how many people you got on the boat. Easy access fuel tank there. And then behind me, 4-run stainless steel ladder. So this boat is great for lounging at the sandbar and also going tubing with you and your friends and your family. So come down, check it out, come see us at North Water Marine. See you soon.